Since our inception in 1993, Noregon has remained dedicated to the transportation industry. Early on, we built custom diagnostic software solutions, which led to many of the relationships we maintain today. One of those early relationships was TMC, who we collaborated with to define and set RP 1210 compliancy standards. What we learned in partnership with TMC led us to creating our industry-leading diagnostic and repair tool, JPRO, and our family of DLA adapters. Noregon continues to advance the industry as an IoT company that brings clarity to vehicle data, simplifies complexity, and makes information more accessible with products such as NextStep and TripVision Uptime. Noregon earned the reputation as vehicle data experts by partnering with the best organizations in each industry sector. These organizations include fleets, repair facilities, vehicle and component manufacturers, telematics service providers, the United States military, and various industry associations. We are an American company based in North Carolina where former technicians, truck drivers, military veterans, business leaders, and others offer valuable insight into the industry's needs. We take pride in our ability to train future technicians through our education program. By working with community colleges, trade schools, and diesel programs, we ensure students have access to the cutting-edge classes, tools, and resources to succeed. Our ongoing training options, such as webinars and online video tutorials, and the JPRO certification program, ensure technicians always stay up to date. With the assistance of programs such as LEAD ATA, Noregon is investing in future leaders who will leverage their expertise today to drive tomorrow's changes. Our experience with connected vehicle solutions will guide our leadership in remote diagnostics. Our history of setting industry standards will position us to define standards for cybersecurity. Our creation of the virtual truck will one day lead to the introduction of a virtual technician. We recognize how much trucking means to this great country, and we want to thank you all for what you do. Whether you've been a customer for 25 years or we have not yet had the pleasure of working together, we look forward to building a relationship with you for years to come. When you need help in the shop, over the road, or acquiring and analyzing vehicle data, we will be there to support you and help you achieve your goals. Thank you.